Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell you about right shift assignment operator. What is right shift assignment operator? If you are not understanding what is right shift, go through my previous videos. First understand what is right shift. Now come to this video, then understand how right shift assignment operator is going to be work. So let's see what is the right shift assignment equal sign. If you have to follow by, then it is called a right shift assignment. Okay, so just like simple how it is going to be work on the right shift, that same work is going to be done here, but you have to add a one single line of statement, extra single line of statement. Let's see. So first of all you have to declare some value, that is x4. Okay, 0100 I will given you here, that is has 0100. Now declare y equal to, not y equal to, y right shift equal to, that is 2. Okay, and you remove this semicolon. Okay, I have practiced on other languages, that's why it will added automatically. Then y. So what is difference you get in this right shift assignment? Okay, if you go for the my right shift video, you will see this, but here is the simple one statement I am going to be at right shift then assign. Okay, if you exaggerate, if you expand this thing, y equal to y right shift 2, that's it. If you exaggerate or separate this particular line of code, y equal to y right shift 2, then it is going to be return you, that is 1. So here why it is going to be error, y is not defined here, sorry here x is going to be right here, not y. We shifting the x only. Okay, so you have taken here x, that's why it error giving me, not y is going to be shifting, x variable is going to be shifting. Okay, it's return you 1. If you go for the another example, x equal to 6, then x right shift equal to 2, then print x. Okay, so what is going to be written? 0110, then it also return 1. Fine. So how it is going to be done? Has 0110, then come to here, right shift, after right shift it returns you, that is has 01, then it print, that's a 01. When it is written, run the code, it returns the 1. Fine. So if you like this video, please share and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you.